Yeah, good morning, so ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Random Car Channel. I am on my way to Killarney on the day South Africa, but it is raining now. But the rain ain't gonna stop me. Still gonna go. Just showing you guys. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, stay tuned for on the day. Hey, the fuck? What the fuck? Katalo zomaar uit. So I'm ready to under the not gonna keep this long. I am not gonna keep this long. It is raining now at the moment, but as soon as the rain stops, I'm gonna get filming on the vehicles that is here. I don't know if they're gonna race today, spin or drift because of the weather, but then I'll just head over to the club displays in stance. If they have a sound off, then I'll record the sound off also as well. Just made a little bit of noise now, but yeah, see you on the other side.
You're listening to Extreme Bass Booster.
Like you ain't know.